the dust of my father. Stand on the face of the ancients. Bear all the secret flesh of time itself. Follow me. I've come so far, I'm behind again. Follow me. I wish so hard I'm there again. Follow me. Follow me. All that I wanted, the things I had before. All that I needed, I never needed more. All of my questions were answers to my sins. All of my endings are waiting to begin. I know the way, but I falter. I can't be afraid of my patience. There's a sacred place where Zell keeps saying, follow me. I've seen so much, I'm blind again. Follow me. I feel so bad, I'm alive again.
It's pretty cool. Wood everywhere from this old sawmill back here. So that's pretty cool. That's just me doing that. Lumber everywhere. Lumber, lumber, lumber. Yeah. Pretty wild, man. Yeah. Sure we're still rolling. Yep. Alright, so on up the trail more. Guys. So let's see what we got here. More stacks of wood. Old truck. Old Ford truck sitting in the woods. Giant stacks of wood everywhere. See that? Let's check out this old truck. Ford. Ooh. And a deer skull. Whoa, look at that. Ooh. Check this out, guys. Inside the old truck, look at that. The gauges are still there. Everything's still here. Gas tank. It was a pretty big heavy-duty dually truck. Sweet. Ah, we see you. Left in the woods to go, guys. Here's the woods weapon, of course. Here's, look at this old car over here. Another old car just sitting. Look at this. Huh. Pretty sweet, the old wood floor. Little truck or some little car. Check that out. The motor's still in it too. You see all around. Pretty cool here. Old sawmill way up here on the other side of a swamp. See right there where I crossed over. The ice and stuff. But there's an old building up here. I think it was the sawmill. Oh, gotta watch that. Gotta watch that ice, right? See right in here is an old build. I don't know if this was the sawmill or just a shed right there. See that, guys? Right in there is a big old shed. So, see if we can get in here, go through here. Looks like the easiest way. See aluminum and stuff everywhere. Got a course go through the weeds, which stinks. Let's see what's over here. Yeah. Yeah, some old shed that collapsed. You can see machinery and stuff. There's a battery. Just gotta watch where you're stepping in here. It's pretty sketchy right here. See old batteries, part of old machinery. Some kind of saw right there. Yeah, there's where the sawmill was right there. There's the piece that cut the lumber right over there. Let me see if I can get a better view of it though. So, yeah, so I'll get back to you guys, okay? So here's the back side where the sawmill was right there. The mill was right in there, the saw blade. To cut the lumber, I mean, sorry. This is the back side of it. Because, man, you see some old tractors in the woods right there. Some machinery sitting right here. So, alright.
We too